Hi everyone, this is Sylvia from Group 2 COVID-19. In this presentation, I'll be presenting the sections of background and literature review for our project. The background of our study project is revolved around the question of how misinformation on social media affects our vaccination progress. Misinformation from sources such as the internet and social media platforms has been known to worsen vaccine hesitancy. The rise of social media platforms in recent years has further propagated vaccine hesitancy due to the high penetrance of content from these platforms, as all kinds of content could be created and shared globally within a matter of seconds. A study has shown that those who use Twitter and Facebook as sources of health information and influencer knowledge are more associated with vaccine hesitancy. Another study that quantified how online misinformation impacts COVID-19 hesitancy has found that COVID-19 vaccine misinformation lowered vaccination intent by up to 6.4 percentages. Next, I'll move on to the literature review section. Topic modeling is a statistical modeling tool used to discover the abstract topics that occur in a collection of documents and extracts from sources, including social medias. On the other hand, sentiment analysis is a natural language processing technique that is commonly used to mine for the sentiment underlying data, which could be positive, negative, neutral, or any other defined emotion. Analyzing the discussed topics and sentiments expressed in social medias could bring great values to many fields, which may help in the decision-making processes of important issues that affect the general public. To achieve such purpose, topic modeling and sentiment analysis have proved to be effective tools, as demonstrated in the several works that we will review next. These are the 4 papers we reviewed, which analyze COVID-19 related texts extracted from social media platforms. For the first paper, topic modeling analysis done on over 1 million tweets using latent dirichlet allocation was able to produce 20 different topics that discusses different aspects about COVID-19, such as disease transmission and healthcare workers. Public response to the pandemic was also explored in the second paper we reviewed, which found 11 topics that revolve around COVID-19 between January to March 2020, such as COVID-19 related deaths and preventive measures. The authors revealed that the fear emotion toward the coronavirus is dominant throughout all identified topics. Another study in our third review paper analyzed 4 million tweets based on 20 COVID-19 related hashtags and was able to reveal the dominant emotions for each identified topics, such as trust, anger, and fear. To gain better understanding of public sentiment towards COVID-19 pandemic, the study in our fourth review paper analyzed over 100,000 tweets and revealed negative outlooks on all identified topics. All of the studies that we've just gone through have demonstrated that the findings revealed through both topic modeling and sentiment analysis methods on COVID-19 related text data from social medias could help, first, health departments and experts to communicate information more effectively to relieve public concerns about the disease, and second, to provide useful insights for public health emergency responses strategies and planning. To analyze the sentiment towards COVID-19 vaccines specifically, a study which analyzed text posts about COVID-19 vaccines of Indian citizens from different social media platforms found that out of all analyzed examples, 47% expressed neutral sentiment, 35% expressed positive sentiment, while this remaining 70% expressed negative sentiment toward COVID-19 vaccines in general. Another study with a similar goal analyzed over 31,000 tweets from Australian Twitter users and found that nearly 2/3 of the sentiments expressed positive sentiments toward COVID-19 vaccines, while the remaining 1/3 were negative. Governments and authorities could utilize this information, which could potentially help implement more effective vaccination promotion strategies and campaigns. And with this slide, it concludes my section. Thank you.